One of the most underutilised ways to search for information is using the library catalogue. To access the library catalogue, you go to the school portal, click on Library Catalogue Oliver in the links. That'll open the home page. The home page looks the same whether you are a student or a member of staff. The most basic search function is done through the box at the top of the page. I'm going to search for the novel Skullduggery Pleasant. So I type the title into the box, click enter, go down to the bottom of that page just to show you the variety of symbols that are used. Green tick means that it's available, red cross means that it's not available. Underneath you'll see there are a number of different symbols. This book means that it's a physical copy of the book and available in our library. This symbol is for overdrive, that means it's a digital version of the book. This symbol here is an audio book. To get more information about the book or the resource, click on the image. That will give you a blurb about the book, also tell you where it's available. So click on all copies and locations. It tells you it's part of the fantasy collection. I can even click on a map and have a look at where the book is in the library. I'm going to go back to the home page now. From the home page there are a number of other resources that you can access. On the right hand side of this page are our databases. The titles of most of those is fairly self-explanatory, except for Bloom's Literature, that's an English database. To access them, simply click on the box. Because I'm doing this from school, I'm automatically logged in because it's a single sign-on. If I was doing it from home, I would need to use my school login to access the site. Most of these databases are organised in a similar way and they're fairly intuitive to move around, so I would suggest that you log on and have a look at them. We change our library homepage fairly regularly and update what you can access from that page. You'll notice that there are boxes with lots of links off to sites that we think might be useful for students. So hop on and have a look. The more familiar you are with the site, the more you can familiarise students with it and start using it as a tool to help you.